This is the lackings of this
the lacking of the software.
Yeah. So we
sonar we use sonar with Side Scan Sonar. We found also left and long position in this screen, and I think this was your reference to this. In this processing mode, suppose here if I put my cursor here, it shows left and long.
No, left long here.
Oh. এটা ওখানে দেখো, এখানে আসবে, ওকে? এটা তো 0.0.
Yeah. So we know the position, but max view does not. No, you just use the you just use the cursor just to go to it like this.
How can I navigate by using ping number?
Sorry?
Suppose you tell me your ping number.
Yeah.
Suppose it is 18,700.
Yeah.
How can I trace this point on this plotting window?
You can't. You just read the ping number under the mouse
You
button.
give me a target like this bit.
Yeah.
I want to search it in this plotter.
Yeah.
How can it possible?
It's not. No. You just shortcut. All you do is just when you scroll here, you see it shows you the ping numbers in this little box. Yeah. So you can get close. We want 18 something.
Here has some points. If you select here these pixels, you can see here some yellow points.
Yes.
These are ping numbers.
No. This is the navigation. So I'll show you. We go to navigate. We go to plotter and we go on fixes. Yeah. These yellow points are the GPS position.
If I place my cursor here, please.
Yep.
Where is the position? Just click it. Click here. This position is this position.
Yep.
Or this point shows here. Which one this position?
This position is exactly here.
Exactly here.
Yes. Because what the max view has corrected for the across track slant range. It's the same.
Okay. When we insert the level, then the position will be one position.
Yeah.
Vessel position and the Tobish position. There are two positions, but if we found one position. Level. Where are inserting level?
Yeah. If you do not enter a value for layback, max view will always have the toefish position and the vessel position as the same point. The target position is
Always from the center of the vessel.
Yeah, from the center of the vessel to the target, the exact position.
It's not a range. It's
It's
directly
the position.
distance.
It's the position.
Position.
And max view inside has calculated this position for us. Okay? Yes.
Please plot this toefish and vessel position to see these two positions on the screen. Here.
Yeah.
Then we can measure its length
No.
or any other thing.
No. We don't care where the toefish is. We don't care where the vessel is. All we care about is where the target is.
This position is here. It can be possible.
Create target. Has the position.
Hello, please.
Yep.
In our topic, we know that we have a beam width. We can define beam width here. Suppose it is 0.3 degree.
Yep.
Then its coverage area should be this, like this. Is there any offset to set this? To set here, then I can ignore this part only, down part.
What we can do, we can change the angle. So we have a beam.
By double clicking on some targets,
Yep.
targets are opening in same window. But window by target, if I double click here,
Yep.
it opens my new window.
Yes. If you have all of these two targets are in the same record.
If I enable one point, then another points are automatically go to the board. But if I want to plot simultaneously two,
Yep.
if I want to keep two points
Yep.
in same time,
Yep.
then what I have to do?
What you have to do, just like when you delete the survey lines, you use Shift to select multiple lines.
এটা কিছুক্ষণ ইউজ করতে পারো ভাই
কন্ট্রোল কি করে কন্টিনিউ করা যাবে
এটা আছে স্যার তুমিও করো তুমিও করো তোমরা দুই তিনজন একটু ভালো করো
So I'd like everybody to plot bridge up and bridge down, okay? These two records. So you should have ticks on this one and this one.
But on plotter window,
Yep.
the name is not saying like this. Where is bridge up and bridge down?
Well, bridge down is open. Bridge down is green. This one.
No, I want to see bridge down and bridge up on
Well,
plotter window.
we don't have bridge up being displayed. So we double
Now
click.
it displays only
We have to have.
real new target. Instead of I want to show that bridge up or bridge down here.
No, you cannot display the record name on the plotter.
It is record name.
This is the record. Bridge up. This
This
is
is not
record.
target.
No, we're in the records tab. The targets is this one.
By double clicking on a target,
Yes.
we can change the
by double clicking on target,
Yeah.
we can trace it on
The record,
This
yes.
this window. But
Yes.
if I want to show it on this plotter window,
Yep.
how can I?
All you have to do is make sure that the plotter has targets switched on.
Off.
On.
অন করতে হবে
My switch already on.
But it will not pan the plotter automatically.
Is these XTF files are readable in CM?
No.
I cannot import it.
No. MaxView works with CM2 files only. So what you would use is you would take the XTF file and you would put it into. There are some free XTF viewers. I use this one.
This is an CM2 to XTF converter.
Yes,
Is
correct.
there any platform where can I convert it from another format to CM2?
No. The CM2 files are the recorded, like the raw files from the CMAX sonar. XTF is like BMP, yeah? It's supported everywhere.
In XTF file, each and every point contain only let and long,
Yes.
not depth.
No, doesn't contain depth.
That means it is not an XYZ file.
No, not an XYZ file at all. No.
But if I use CM2 format,
Yep.
is it I can consider as XYZ file?
No, because
So it has also no any depth.
it has the depth value from the pressure sensor. The C
Please come here, please.
Yes. Yep.
This target is showing here, but if
Yep.
I double click here,
Yep.
suppose on test position,
Yep.
I cannot trace it here.
That's because this record is not being plotted. Test position. Which record is it on? This one. 03122-006. Okay. So we go to the record. The only records you're plotting is record bridge up and bridge down. So what you need to do, you need to
I have to
plot.
enable all or this specific.
You need to right click, plot selected. Now it's just plotting this one. When it's plotted, we can view the targets on it. Okay? You must have the record. This little piece of MaxView is about.
In which platform I can use QMix format?
Honestly, I don't know. I've been working with this for
So I
16
can
years.
say it is now this money is not it is useless for us.
It's useless for you, yeah. It's just that this piece of software in MaxView was written many years ago, and the original customer wanted QMIX format. It's very old. It dates
Have you
from...
any idea about QINSY software? QINSY. It's a
Yeah.
It's a multi-beam plugin.
Yeah, I know it. Yeah, I know Quincy.
Can
Yes.
I import these XPF files on this
Yep.
QINSY?
Yes, you can. You can take an XTF file. Once you've got a multi-beam data set with all your bathymetry. So if you did a multi-beam of this same track, so if you use high sweep, you ran a multi-beam on the same survey line, you got the bathymetry, you take this as an XTF and you can place it on top of your multi-beam data in Quincy. Yeah. Very easy.
If I survey by using a hyphen, if I want to use my previous data, which was collected by CMX,
Yes.
can I import your CM2 file on the hyphen?
Into where, sorry?
HiPack.
Can I import your CMX file like .cm2
Yes.
in hyphen?
Into HiPack, yes you can. Yes.
Can I use this exported XPF file on hyphen?
Yes, but you don't need to. You can take the CM2 file directly.
In hyphen, I can use both CM2 file and XPF.
Yeah. The workflow that I prefer is, okay,
Is your CMD file readable on Notepad?
no, it's a binary file format.
It's your business policy.
Sorry?
It's your business policy.
No. We have a the file format is available.
Can you open it Notepad and then I can see?
Sorry, I don't. What is your question?
You want to know that there is a color plate like CMYK. You want to know which value is for C and which is for M.
These palette files are Windows standard palette files. So you create them from inside a Windows.
If I open this layer or folder
Yeah.
in Notepad, then
No.
I can see.
No, it's not in Notepad. No. You don't need to. Don't even consider the problem of making your own color.
He's asking you.
Yeah.
You want to see this type of color
Yeah.
using, I think, Adobe Photoshop, I think, Illustrator, and you want to see the same color like you MaxView, and you want to know what is the value of C cyan, Y for yellow,
Select cursor.
M for magenta, CMYK.
K means?
Well, these are not. These are 8-bit Windows palette file format. So it's a standard Windows format for a color palette, and that has a scale of colors of 256 values.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
Yeah.
And each value can be a RGB component. So the palette file is essentially that. It is just an 8-bit, it's a 256 byte array of colors, RGB values. And depending on the value of the pixel from the sonar, it picks the correct color to put into that element. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, you got. Thank you.
One thing you told yesterday that
Yep.
in acquisition mode we cannot get a distance.
Yes.
But my question is, if suppose if it is acquisition mode,
Yep.
if I open another
Yeah.
window, like
Yeah. A view window.
by
Yep.
double clicking
Yep.
it,
Yep.
can I use this window to measure this?
Yes, of course you can. Yes. Yep. You just can't do the height measurements. You can't do height measurements on a live window. You can do distance measurements on a live window, but it is difficult because the screen is scrolling, the mouse is moving.
I want to use another.
Yeah, that's
Another
fine.
window.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. In that case, if you imagine this is your live window
This
here.
window is for acquisition.
Imagine this is going past, yeah? Yeah? And you've got this over here. And on this side, you've got this. So this is going, this is scrolling past
This
in
is
live.
scrolling.
This one, we can take measurement. Yeah, no problem at all.
To use this window, then I have to split my previous record.
Yep. Yep.
And then I can use my previous record.
Right hand mouse button. Right hand mouse button. Okay? Very easy to do.
Please close it.
Just a minute, I'm taking the camera. Thank you.
You use this post-process mosaic
Yep.
to bring this in.
Yes.
But
Yes.
I can also bring by using this background file.
Yes. You can.
Add file, zip file,
Yes, you can.
and you can go.
Yep.
Mosaic.
Yes, you can. Yep.
Mosaic. Is it same?
Yeah.
Same process?
100%.
Please select it and it deselect it. Now 0%.
No, you can't.
It's not supported.
When I bought, I did not have to import this. When I made the mosaic in the Side Scan Mosaic, it automatically put it into here for me, automatically. Okay?
Sir,
Yes?
I have to bring the data the transfer.
In case of any other TF file, I can add it by.
Yes, you can add it. You can add it as a background
Then
file.
what is the difference between this TF and this TF?
I don't know.
Please browse this for file.
Yeah.
Photo is
Visible.
In here.
here.
No. This one. Yep.
There are no supporting files. If I use this background,
Yep.
then I need another EWF format file. It's
Yes.
supporting extra file.
Yes.
You need it.
If you want to put it into the background, it goes into somewhere else. Yeah. Yeah.
You want to have that on somebody?
No, so
আচ্ছা মুই বুঝছি এটা নিয়ে একটু বসতে হবে সবুর
Hey, is this file self-zero reference without any extension or something file?
sorry.
Is it self-zero reference?
Yes.
Is this tip file? Is this zero reference to me?
Yes, it's got the georef. Yeah, it is a geotip. Yeah. So the
Without any supporting file, it's
no, it's embedded in the TIFF file. It doesn't need any extra.
আরো ভালো এটা ওর মধ্যেই এমবেডেড আছে না তোমার আলাদা করে কোনো ফাইল হয়ে যায় সাথে সাথে ইয়া ফাইল লাগবে তা
Just
দরকার
straight
নেই
into the root of that
এই
memory
ক্ষেত্রে
stick.
তো তুমি অন্য কোনো প্ল্যাটফর্মে এটা ইউজ করতে পারো
No,
না
just
supporting
just in the root of the memory stick.
হ্যাঁ?
Just on the memory stick. Mosaic.tiff. Okay. Okay. Today's end. Today is ended 4 p.m. I'll see you tomorrow, and we'll do this again, and we will start doing.
You don't know?
Yeah.
It's
Very
not
good.
yet our property.
No, not yet.
No,